Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Thank you all for your love and support. Thank you for the 1000 subscriber. I really appreciate you guys. I love you so much. So today DIY, we're going to learn how I made this ruffle turban with organza. So I'm having 7 pieces of this organza. So 58 inches long, 58 inches long by 7 inches. That's going to give you 35 inches if you sew it together. Then I have my turban body. Just get check one of my videos on how I make turban body. So the first thing I'm going to do now, you're going to sew everything on your sewing machine. I have 7 pieces. It's going to be 58 inches long by 7 inches, and when you sew it down, it's going to give you 30, it's going to be 50 inches. So guys, let's DIY. So from the center, you are going to pick it from the center. You start doing your running stitch from the center. Just watch the way I'm going to do it. I'm going to start from the center. You start from the center. So you make a running stitching just the way I'm doing this. I'm going to choose 7 pieces. I have 7 pieces, so I want my ruffle, I want it to be very bold. So if you want to reduce, you can reduce this, but I use 7 in this turban that I make with side ruffle. I use 7 pieces of this organza. So you keep doing your running stitching, and make sure that when you want to do your thread, make sure your thread is very long, because I'm going to use only one thread for this. No need of you using another thread, so your thread must be very long. You keep doing this running stitching to the get the last one. You pick the second one, you do it. You pick the third one, you do it, and third to the 7th organza. You are going to do it. You keep doing it. It's very easy, just very easy to do. Just watch the way I'm doing it. So guys, thank you all for your love, for your support, for 1000 subscriber. I'm so grateful. Thank you all. Thank you for supporting me. I love you so much. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Queen Priestry, and don't forget to follow my Facebook illustration. That's as of Mina. So this is the second one. I'll be joining the second one just the way I joined the first one. You don't need to separate it. You join everything together. Just watch the way I'm doing. It's very easy. So you keep joining it. If you are seeing my video for the first time, please subscribe. Subscription is free. Do that for me, and please watch my video. That's very important. Comment, share my video, share it with friend and family. So let's keep learning. Every day is just about learning. So you keep doing on running stitches till you get to the last round. Can you see it's coming out so beautiful? I hope you love it. The way I love it, it's coming out beautiful. So that is it. That is it. I'm still going to hard to hit. I'll hard to hit. You keep doing your running station. So that's it. I'm showing you guys. So I continue, then use that thread to pull it together. You just the way I'm doing, just see what I'm doing there. Just what I'm doing. Just please ignore the back, just ignore the voice, the background, the sound. Just ignore it, please. So I've joined my 7 organza. I've joined it together. So I have 7 pieces of organza there. So to make my ruffles, can you see I'm done with 7? So I'm going to do it now. I'm going to form it like a circle. Just see what I'm doing here. See what I'm doing is very easy. I'm forming a circle. I'm going to sew the down part. I'm going to close the art down because I will be sewing it on my turban. You can check my video now how I make turban body. Just check my video how I make turban body. So I'm going to close that part together. You close it together. You close it. You join the two together. You sew the two together. Then you go to the down part to close it. You're going to close it. Make sure your sewing is not showing. Just sew it. Just try it. It's very easy to do. Just try it and do it. Very easy to do. So you sew it tight. Make sure you sew it tight, because I'm making it for you. I'm making it for a client, and even if I'm making it for yourself, make sure it's very tight. So what I'm going to be doing next is now I'm going to join it. I'm going to join it with my turban body. You're going to use your office pin to pin it down. You pin it down from the other side of the turban. You can place it up, you can place one side, you can place the left side, the right side, it just depends. Can you see, just like it just at the center? Can you see what I'm doing? I'm going to use my office pin to pin it down. And don't forget to tell you that you should always weave your inside of your turban to make your work very neat. After you're sewing it on your sewing machine, make sure you use a weaving machine. Just weave it. So if you don't have a weaving machine, just check around, just put a weave clothes, tell them to weave inside of turban for you. So I'm going to sew it. You sew it very, very tight. You sew it very tight. Please don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Queen Pretty. And don't forget to follow my Facebook illustration Acts of Menon. Join my Facebook illustration Acts of Menon. So you're going to join us and see the next post we're going to do. So we're getting ready for our live video. Get ready for our live video. Thank you all. Thank you all for your love. Thank you. I appreciate you so much. So this is so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Going to show you the final look. I'm going to show you the final look. So you tie that part. So you sew it, and this is the finishing part, guys. This is the finishing part, guys. And you see, so this is so beautiful. So you try it out. Try it out. DIY it for yourself. Thank you all. See you next time on my next video. I love you so much.